Today I'm making a volcano. A volcano occurs when the magma finds fissures in the Earth's surface. There are three types of volcano, depending on their magmatic eruptions. Hawaiian eruption. Its name comes from Hawaiian volcanoes, and they are the calmest types of volcano. They are characterized by effusive eruption of very fluid magma, with low gaseous contents. Stromboli eruption, by the volcano Stromboli. In this volcano, the magma is less fluid than the Hawaiian eruption, and expels many gases. And finally, the Volcano volcano. The Volcano eruption, where the magma is very viscous, the gases excite with conflict, escape with difficulty and have very explosive eruptions. Okay, this is the experiment of the volcano. The ingredients for a volcano is a teaspoon of baking soda and a tablespoon of vinegar. Okay. This is a Hawaiian volcano. The baking soda. Okay. And now in the next video I put the Stromboli volcano. Bye.